Hi guys, welcome back to another weekly vlog. It's November 2nd. It's officially the holiday season and I'm so excited. It's Sunday today and this last week has been so insanely busy, but I have one more event of the evening, then we're starting on a fresh week. I really wanted to bake some chocolate chip cookies from scratch for tonight. I think I said something last vlog or the vlog before. I've really been wanting to bake some more. Today I went to the store and I took the time to really like translate everything and get all the ingredients. So I'm gonna make chocolate chip cookies from scratch. It's pouring down rain outside right now and it's getting dark early again. I think I'm gonna put some cinnamon essential oils in the diffuser. I'm gonna watch a Christmas movie and bake some chocolate chip cookies. And I know it might be early to start getting in the Christmas festivities, but I need me a little Christmas right now, okay? So we're gonna get started early. I forgot we got these. I got like little apple cinnamon candles. Wait, I think I'm gonna do these instead of the diffuser. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so cozy. I'm just gonna light 3 and like put them around just to set the vibe. I also put one in the lounge area so it's nice and cozy over there. I am so excited to bake some cookies in here. And then I have to get ready and go. About 3 hours and I already did my makeup and I don't think I'm gonna do my hair, so I have plenty of time. I'm also gonna let the cookie dough chill in the fridge for a bit, I think. So I made a matcha before I start baking. Let's put on a Christmas movie and let's bake some cookies. Making a batch of 30 cookies. I wasn't expecting to make 30 cookies when I got all the ingredients, but I had enough of everything except for the chocolate chips. So they're in the fridge chilling now, but they'll just be lightly chocolate chip cookies for the evening. We might be cutting it a little close on time for when to leave. I think we'll be okay. When I made the first batch, I made the balls too big. I learned from my mistakes and I made the rest of the batches a lot smaller. So now they're actually cooking into proper circles and are a lot smaller. The first batch was definitely a trial batch, but they're still tasting amazing. I got changed. I'm literally just wearing a black Skims top and some black jeans, but I am on my 3rd batch of cookies now. I'm gonna bring it all on this tray, so I'm gonna stack them. So I'm just letting everything cool down before I put them on so they're not like weirdly shaped by the time that they get there. It's been, I feel like, a few days since I chatted with you guys last. I just did a nail refresh, which is literally the exact same nails that I had before, just without the extensions and a lot shorter. So now they're my natural nail length because I chopped my nails off. I feel so good now, like just having my natural nails. I just got out of the shower and I wanted to do my skincare with you guys. I think the last thing you guys saw of me was the cookies, which were such a hit. I brought them to the event and they were all gone. And I've been getting texts and DMs from people saying how good the cookies were. And they were like the perfect thin, crispy, but chewy chocolate chip cookies. Now I definitely want to bake more. And cookies are so easy and such versatile options. Like you have so many different types of recipes. So I think I really want to keep baking cookies for the holiday season. I think the next ones that I really want to make are cinnamon roll cookies. I would love to try a bite of a cinnamon roll cookie. I just had so much fun baking. Just putting some serum in my hair. I feel like my hair has gotten so long. I also got a few packages in the mail, so I want to open them with you guys and see what is inside. Okay, the first package that I got is from Shiseido. This is my first time getting product from Shiseido. They sent me their Ultimate Power Infusing Serum, and it's an anti-aging serum. It literally looks so gorgeous. Look at how unreal nail that look. I'm so excited to try it. I'll of course let you guys know my thoughts. And not only is this packaging just so gorgeous, it also gives holiday vibes, which I love. So thank you so much to Shido for sending this package. I cannot wait to try it. The next package I still have in the box. Oh my gosh, they're flowers. There's a card. Aw, that is so sweet. It's from my work. Lilies are one of my favorite flowers ever. Gorgeous. Let me get them in this vase and then we can display them. Look at how gorgeous. That is the sweetest thing ever. Hey guys, happy Wednesday. I had another 4 a.m. morning. I am so exhausted. Why is my camera saying that there's another face right here and trying to focus on it? Anyway, my brain is starting to give out, but I had a really fun day. By the time this video is up, it'll already be up so I can tell you guys, but I did a collaboration post today with Renaissance, doing like a day in the life working there. It was really fun to film that today. You guys should definitely go check it out. It's on my Instagram. Go give it some love. But I just got home. I'm about to edit the whole video. There was a package waiting for me when I got home. I don't know what it is, but it feels like clothes because it's very soft, but I figured we should open it together. It's from Rehoas. I think 2 vlogs ago, I did a campaign with them and we're doing another campaign together. So I picked out some more pieces. So let's go through them and we can do like a little bit of a first impressions. I thought this cardigan was so cute. It's just a little baby yellow cardigan. I think it's so adorable. It's so soft. Oh my gosh. I've been trying to get more cardigans because I feel like that's something that I'm missing in my closet, but they're so cute and so easy to style and they're so cozy. The next one is just like a long sleeve, kind of a shorter dress with a few like accessories that I have planned. And then the last one is also another dress. Gosh, the fabric is so soft. Like I know these dresses are gonna be so comfy, but this one has like ruching at the end. So it's again a long sleeve dress. I just know that this dress is gonna be so comfortable. I'm so excited to film in these. I love these pieces. I got so many compliments on my last Rehoas outfits that I picked when I wear them in my like day-to-day life. Like I just wear them all the time because they're so cute and I get so many compliments on them. So I'm actually really excited to do another collaboration with Rehoas, try out some more of their pieces. I think these are so cute and I love adding more dresses to my closet. Today was such a good day. It felt really amazing. It was like a mix of my 2 worlds together. I was really excited about that. Filming the video went really, really well. And I'm so happy to be home now because I feel like I also want to do a lot of things even though I want to curl up. I need to get a bird bath. You guys, all of these birds keep landing in our plants. Whenever it's been like storming out, our pots for our outdoor plants fill with water and these little birds come and they swim in the pots and it's so cute. So it makes me want to get a bird bath so that they have their own bath that they can come and swim in, and I just think it's so cute. Anyway, a huge bird just landed on our railing and was kind of looking into taking a little bird bath, I think, in our pots. But I have absolutely no idea what I was saying before that bird landed on my balcony, but I have a lot of other stuff I want to get done for the apartment. Happy Friday. I just finished cleaning the apartment. I also made some breakfast this morning. I do have to run to the grocery store at some point today, but I wanted to take some time and like figure out some meal prep recipes so I know what I even need to grab at the store. This morning I was like, what can I make for breakfast that I just kind of like have in my pantry, because I felt like I just had a lot of like random stuff. And then I thought, oh my gosh, wait, I can make protein balls. So I made caramel vanilla peanut butter protein balls, and those are like the healthy ones. I made matcha coconut cream protein balls, but those are a little bit sweeter. Added a little bit of brown sugar to those. They've been in the fridge for like an hour now, so I think they're ready to eat. This is just what they look like. I already tried these ones because I made them first and they were ready first, and they're so good. I haven't tried the matcha coconut cream ones, so I want to try them. Oh my gosh, these are so good. Obviously my favorite is the matcha because I'm a matcha girl, but they have a lot of protein in them because I use protein caramel yogurt, vanilla protein powder in this one, and then in the matcha ones I used the caramel protein yogurt, vanilla protein powder, and the matcha protein powder. Yay. Wait, I'm so happy with these, and they're so easy to just like quickly grab, and I made like batches, so I'm really happy about that. I have a lot of editing that I need to get done, so I'm honestly just gonna sit down and edit for a few hours, but I'll catch up with you guys after I get some more editing done. Good morning, happy Sunday. I have the day off today, but I honestly have been working all day on social media. But it honestly feels so good to just sit down today and like focus on that and get everything in order for that. So I'm feeling so good. I have this super cute outfit on. This is from Rahowa's. I showed this earlier in the video as one of the pieces that came from the Rahowa's campaign that I'm doing. And then we just have the rest of the outfit. I'm wearing a creamy fabrics skin tight bodysuit and silver and coat jeans, and then my brown Uggs. And it's 4 in the afternoon right now, so it's like the perfect time in the apartment where the sun is like setting beautifully. You can see my mess over here that I made while getting ready. I honestly feel so good that I filmed and got everything out of the way. So I'm gonna sit down and edit all of that for quite a bit. And I'm hoping to get this vlog up today too. I got all the content up and now I really want to change into some comfy pajamas and enjoy the rest of my Sunday night. So let's change, get cozy, and have a good Sunday night in before we start a new week tomorrow. I think I'm gonna wear this blue pajama set tonight, but I want to take off all of my jewelry and put my hair up in a claw clip and just be comfortable. These earrings are so heavy, but they're so cute. I love a good chunky earring. Okay, I already feel so much better just taking the jewelry off. I'm gonna change. I feel so good now. I'm all cozy and comfy. I'm gonna go eat some dinner. I'm gonna sit down, edit this vlog, and get it up so I can start a new vlog tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me this week and watching this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. You literally just ate them.
They can see me through the fog.
We're about to have some toasties.
Little toasty.
We've been watching 1883 on Netflix.
That is correct.
It's so good. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you guys in next week's vlog.